Hi guys, this is Pythia of DELPHIBETS. Today I want to explain to you how to stake XRD on the Delphinode. You first need to have the Radix desktop wallet or a mobile wallet installed. If you still need to install it, check the video linked in the description. Now open your wallet and log in by entering your password. Here you can see 125 XRD on our test wallet. If you don't have any XRD on your wallet yet, you first need to transfer them to your wallet. Once you have XRD in your wallet, you can select the stake and unstake option. First, you have to enter the validator address of the Delphinode. You can find the validator address on DELPHIBETS.com. Just copy the validator address, which you can find at the bottom of the website. After that, you just need to return to your wallet. Paste the validator address on the Delphinode into the appropriate field. In the next step, you'll need to set the amount of XRD you want to stake. Please note that the minimum stake within the Radix network must be at least 90 XRD. After confirming the amount to stake, you'll be prompted to enter your PIN to proceed. Now you just need to confirm your staking transaction by clicking on Confirm Transaction. A loading screen appears. You can now see whether the staking process has worked. In the history of your wallet, you'll see the transaction you just initiated. Via the options Stake and Unstake, you will find a further overview of the stake you initiated. Staking on the Delphinode secures the Radix network. You are now a part of the future distributed ledger technology. Additionally, you automatically will benefit from our DPH staking airdrops. It was a pleasure explaining to you how to stake your XRD on the Delphinode. Visit us on DELPHIBETS.com and see you next time.